Welcome to the Mr. and Mrs. Garlic channel. This is the right place for those seeking tips on nutritional health, biohacking, and supplementation to improve quality of life intelligently. The Keto Chicken Crust Pizza is a culinary innovation that marries taste with health consciousness, particularly appealing to enthusiasts of keto, low-carb, and carnivore diets. This inventive dish replaces traditional dough with a crust made from ground chicken, providing a protein-laden, low-carb alternative without sacrificing flavor. Preparation of this delectable pizza is both quick and efficient, with a prep time of just 22 minutes. Designed to serve 4, each serving delivers a satisfying 268 calories and remarkably low net carbohydrates of 1.8 grams. The base of the crust is composed of 1 pound of ground chicken, enriched with an egg, half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, a quarter cup of grated Parmesan cheese, a teaspoon of salt, and optional seasonings like Italian herbs and garlic powder. The process begins with preheating your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 232 degrees Celsius. Mixing all the ingredients in a bowl until they're well combined, you form the mixture into a ball. The next step involves shaping the crust, flattening the chicken blend onto a baking sheet or pizza stone lined with parchment paper, forming a crust approximately half an inch thick. Baking ensues for about 15 minutes at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Subsequently, you can unleash your creativity by adding your preferred toppings before broiling the pizza on high until the cheese attains a perfectly bubbly and melted consistency. For those who relish a crispier texture, rolling out the crust thinner is a recommended adjustment. The recipe offers room for flavor experimentation. Italian sausage can elevate the savor, while substituting cheeses might offer unique taste profiles. Allergy-friendly options like xanthan gum or additional cheese can replace the egg as a binder for those with egg sensitivities. Topping choices are versatile, with options that span a spectrum of meats such as pepperoni, salami, sausage, bacon, or pancetta. Vegetables like olives, mushrooms, bell peppers, red onion, and artichoke hearts provide a nutrient-dense addition. For cheese lovers, selections like mozzarella, brie, blue cheese, and feta can enrich the dish, complemented by sauces including traditional pizza sauce, pesto, or Alfredo. Providing assurance to the culinary enthusiast, this crust can be prepared ahead and frozen, either baked or unbaked, for up to 3 months. It also seamlessly accommodates ground turkey as an alternative to the customary chicken. Nutritionally, the Keto Chicken Crust Pizza is gluten-free, ensuring suitability for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivities, provided the toppings align with gluten-free standards. Each serving supplies 17.3 grams of fat, 27.4 grams of protein, and a mere 2 grams of total carbohydrates, with net carbs reduced to 1.8 grams. These values underscore its high protein profile supporting muscle function, its low glycemic impact making it a favorable choice for diabetics, and its supply of healthy fats bolstering heart health. Ultimately, this pizza stands as a testament to culinary ingenuity, offering a delicious, health-conscious option for those adhering to specialized diets or simply seeking a nutritious meal. The alignment of its low-calorie, high-protein, and low-carb credentials also renders it a valuable ally in weight management efforts by promoting greater satiety and reducing calorie intake. Enjoying a flavorful keto pizza is no longer just a fantasy, it's a delicious reality. Subscribe, activate the bell, and join us on this journey of well-being and evolution. Let's go together.